to replace the battery of the watch. Step 1. Remove the rubber ring on the back of the watch. Step 2. Gently pry under the time adjusting rod with a screwdriver to remove the rear cover. Please note that there is a metal spring buckle on the inner side of the battery slot. Step 3. Use a small blade to pry open the buckle spring at the battery slot of the watch, and the battery will pop out automatically. Step 4. Prepare a new Senior 6-6W type battery. Place the battery with the positive pole facing up and the negative pole facing down. Align it with the spring buckle of the battery slot and press it gently. After it is in place, the spring of the battery slot will automatically fasten the battery. Step 5. Align the notch of the rear cover with the direction of the time adjusting rod and press the entire rear cover down horizontally and fasten it. About 20 kilograms of force is required. Step 6. Gently pull out the time adjusting rod. Adjust the time to the current moment by rotating this rod. Afterwards, press the time adjusting rod back. Then the watch will keep time normally. Step 7. Install the rubber ring back to its original position, and the battery replacement is completed.